So, Matt, referring to our last topic, we understood about the rates themselves. But if someone's saying, oh, I'm thinking to wait until the Fed cuts again, that doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to get a better rate, right?
And Rivka, that was such a good point that a lot of buyers, and you probably get that a lot, people go through. So because when the Fed cuts their interest rates, they're cutting overnight lending rates. So car loans, credit cards, home equity lines of credit, those will see a reduction. But your mortgages follow bond yields. So the Fed going into this year so far, the Fed cut rates twice by 25 basis points. The first time we saw a little bit of a rate relief. The second time the rates actually went up a little bit. So a lot of people don't know that, and probably a lot of your buyers might be hearing that too, right? As much as it would make sense that they would go together, they don't. They're separate. They follow two different things. So it just reiterates from the last question you had, which is fantastic, is waiting to buy till the Fed cuts rates, and is the Fed cutting rates even going to do anything?
Absolutely.
So, and you probably know too, the one thing we did touch about, and you know firsthand, home values and prices around this area. I mean,
see that the home prices are going up. It only shows how important it is to be in touch with people like you, just to guide people to know real data.
Yes.
And just look at the basic numbers we see, but really dig in deep and have a real strategy and plan and what they can do perhaps today to be able to afford or buy a house that they want, within 6 or 12 months going forward.
Yeah.